Hi there. Welcome to Swiftec community. If you are watching this video, is because you are a new Swiftec user. We're gonna show you how to download and install Swiftec. Using your preferred browser, access swiftec.pt, and log in using the credentials after reset you made. Insert your username and password chosen after reset. After, in the top right menu, you can access to all functions, include download section. You can download all files presented in download page, sense lock dongle drivers, and also Swiftec installer. First step of this installation, with dongle connected, is unzip dongle drivers. After all files been extract, you need to execute the application as administrator. Follow all steps until setup is finished. As dongle drivers are already installed, we can start now, the installation of Swiftec software. Choose your language, and follow all steps until setup is finished. This is the first step of installation. We'll need to complete this step first to be able to process for next installation part. After you will need to start Swiftec, using your access credentials, username and password. This will generate hardware registration request to our server. We will process your request. When it's finished, you should receive an email like this. Start Swiftec, and insert your credentials again. Choose your language again, and follow all steps to finish the Swiftec installation. Insert your access credentials again. In this last step, depending on which pack you have acquired, Swiftec Basic, Standard, or Full Pack, all checksums that you have access to, will be downloaded. Downloading checksums. If previous steps are finished and done correctly, we are now ready to start and use Swiftec. Thanks for watching.